Let's explore how to detect and debug thread deadlock using WinDbg in .NET. So idea behind this video is, suppose there is a scenario where in production the user complains the UI is frozen or application is frozen. So in that case, what you will do? And this is also a famous interview question. In case of deadlock in production, how will you resolve this? So to resolve this issue, the important thing is to I get extract the dump file and analyze the dump file using WinDbg and isolate the issue which threads are being locked and waiting for each other. So let's break. I'll add this blog in the description. So it's don't worry about taking notes as of now. So code summary. Let's look at this code. We have seen this code couple of times in the course. So this is standard code of deadlock. There we have two lock A and B. We have two threads T1 and T2. Thread 1 and thread 2. They are acquiring lock in this manner. First thread is acquiring lock A and later lock B. The second thread is acquiring lock B and lock A. So this will cause a famous deadlock situation. The first thing is we have to simulate this issue. We will run this code and we will wait for the deadlock to occur. So deadlock has occurred. Both the threads are waiting for each other. So our first task is to open task manager, go to details, go to the application, deadlock example.exe, click on create dump file. So this will create dump file, the deadlock example2.dmp. So we'll open the file location. This will come handy from WinDbg perspective. So WinDbg is not installed by default. If you go to this location, create dump file. If you go to this location, you will find in Microsoft site download WinDbg. It is straightforward installation. Link can be found in this blog, which will be added in the description. So open WinDbg and load this dump file. Wait for WinDbg to open up. So WinDbg open out. Go to file, open dump file, browse. We'll go to this path which where we open. It is a temp folder. Dump file are usually huge. So deadlock example 2 is our file. We'll open it. So it will take couple of seconds to load the file. It is loaded. Now we need to run some commands. So first command we need to run is this load by sos sclr. Then we will fire not threads and we will wait for response. So if you see, there are two threads which are waiting for each other. In this example, so we need to check two or more threads are waiting, often monitor or lock. The thread showing same blocks but in reverse order. So to identify the locks, we need to run sync blocks. So here are the two threads. Basically, owner of the thread, owning thread D48 5C80, and they have these two threads are basically waiting for each other. These are in monitor held sync block. This is the output. So now we identified the threads which are basically creating the issue, but we don't know the call stack. To extract the call stack, we need to run following command: tilde star e not clear stack. So if we basically copy this and put it in Note Visual Studio Code, and we copy these two threads which came from sync blocks. So this was the thread D48, thread ID, Ctrl C F,